Hello everyone. Today I will explain the safe way to give buttock injection. This procedure should always be done by a trained healthcare or professional. Uh, First we wash the hand properly and wear clean gloves. Properly syringe and medication using sterile technique. So first of all I wearing my gloves properly, and I check injection expiry date, and I check the swab, and when we need alcohol and syringe. But this syringe is 10 ml. You need to use 5 ml or 3 ml per IG injection. So I remove the cover. Before the given injection, check the patient name, medicine and dose, expiry date. Now I open it and tight the cap. First of all I check the vial. Now we need to break the vial. So I already done this. Now I dilute the syringe from medicine and properly we finish the medicine, and then we will learn more. We remove the air from syringe. This is the technique how we remove syringe air. Now you can see the syringe. Properly we finish it. Now you can see in this diagram, the safe area for buttock injection is the upper outer side of the buttock. This helps avoid injury to improve narrow and blood vessel. First of all, you clean the area properly with alcohol swab. This full area you need to clean like this, and 90 angle we inject the syringe and then push quickly and remove the syringe. After removing the needle, apply gently pressure with the clean cotton. Do not massage with this.